Hello, welcome to Capital Investments, the YouTube channel where we help you grow your wealth and achieve financial freedom. In this video, we're going to talk about the 15 best books on selling that you should read. Whether you're a seasoned sales professional, an aspiring entrepreneur, or just someone who wants to improve your persuasion skills, these books will give you valuable insights, tips, and strategies to take your sales game to the next level. Let's get started. 1. Inbound Selling by Brian Signorelli. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to sell in the modern, digital age. Signorelli, a sales director at HubSpot, explains how the traditional sales methods of cold calling, pitching, and closing are no longer effective in today's buyer-driven market. Instead, he shows you how to adopt an inbound sales approach that aligns with the buyer's journey, builds trust, and delivers value. You'll learn how to identify your ideal buyers, engage them with relevant content, consult them on their challenges and goals, and guide them to the best solution for their needs. 2. New Sales, Simplified, by Mike Weinberg. This book is a practical guide for anyone who wants to master the art of prospecting and winning new business. Weinberg, a sales coach and consultant, reveals the common mistakes that salespeople make when trying to acquire new customers, and offers a simple, proven formula for success. You'll learn how to craft a compelling sales story, target your ideal prospects, prepare for sales calls, overcome objections, and close more deals. 3. The Sales Acceleration Formula by Mark Roberge. This book is a blueprint for scaling your sales team and growing your revenue. Roberge, the former chief revenue officer of HubSpot, shares his experience of transforming HubSpot from a startup to a $100 million company by applying data-driven principles to sales management. You'll learn how to hire the right salespeople, train them effectively, coach them to success, align them with marketing, and optimize their performance. 4. To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink. This book is a fascinating exploration of the psychology and science of selling. Pink, a best-selling author and former speechwriter for Al Gore, argues that selling is not just a skill for salespeople, but a human activity that we all do every day. Whether we're persuading our boss, negotiating with our spouse, or pitching our idea, we're all selling something. You'll learn how to understand your audience's perspective, frame your message in a compelling way, and use the power of storytelling to move others. 5. Secrets of Closing the Sale by Zig Ziglar. This book is a classic in the sales literature that has inspired millions of salespeople around the world. Ziglar, one of the most influential sales trainers and motivational speakers of all time, shares his secrets of closing the sale with humor, anecdotes, and examples. You'll learn how to overcome fear of rejection, handle objections, create urgency, and close any deal with confidence. 6. The Only Sales Guide You'll Ever Need by Anthony Iannarino. This book is a comprehensive guide for developing the skills and mindsets that every successful salesperson needs. Iannarino, a renowned sales leader and blogger, covers both the inner game and the outer game of selling. You'll learn how to cultivate a positive attitude, self-discipline, accountability, competitiveness, resourcefulness, initiative, communication, storytelling, diagnosing, negotiating, closing, and more. 7. The New Strategic Selling by Robert B. Miller, Stephen E. Heyman, and Tad Talaya. This book is a revised and updated edition of the best-selling classic that introduced the concept of win-win selling. Miller, Heyman, and Talaya, the founders of Miller-Heyman Group, a leading sales training company, show you how to apply their proven methodology to complex, high-stakes sales situations. You'll learn how to identify and influence key decision-makers, understand their needs and motivations, develop customized solutions, and create long-term relationships. 8. Book Yourself Solid by Michael Port. This book is a guide for service professionals who want to attract more clients and grow their business. Port, a former actor and successful entrepreneur, teaches you how to market yourself effectively by building your credibility, visibility, and likability. You'll learn how to create a compelling brand identity, craft an irresistible offer, target your ideal clients, network strategically, and follow up consistently. 9. The Challenger Sale by Matthew Dixon and Brent Adamson. This book is based on an extensive research study by CEB, now Gartner, a global research and advisory firm, that revealed that the most successful salespeople are not those who build relationships or solve problems, but those who challenge their customers to think differently. Dixon and Adamson, the leaders of the sales practice at CEB, explain how to adopt the challenger mindset and behaviors, and how to equip your sales team with the skills and tools to deliver insights, tailor solutions, and take control of the sale. 10. Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. This book is the result of a 12-year research project by Huthwaite, a sales performance improvement company, that analyzed more than 35,000 sales calls across different industries and countries. Rackham, the founder of Huthwaite, discovered that the most effective sales technique for large, complex sales is not closing or objection handling, but asking the right questions. He developed the SPIN model, which stands for situation, problem, implication, and need payoff, to help salespeople uncover their customers' needs and motivations, and demonstrate the value of their solutions. 11. Influence. The Psychology of Persuasion by Robert Cialdini. This book is a cornerstone in the realm of social psychology and persuasion. As a distinguished professor of psychology and marketing at Arizona State University, Cialdini delves into the intricacies of human behavior, unveiling 6 fundamental principles of influence that shape our decision-making processes. These principles, namely reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, and scarcity, serve as a roadmap to understanding and harnessing the power of persuasion in various contexts. The book equips readers with invaluable insights on how to ethically apply these principles to effectively elicit affirmative responses to their requests. Moreover, Cialdini provides a crucial defense mechanism, empowering individuals to recognize and shield themselves against manipulative tactics employed by others. With its blend of academic rigor and practical applicability, Influence stands as an enduring guide for anyone seeking to master the art of persuasion and navigate the intricate dynamics of human interaction in both personal and professional spheres. This seminal work continues to shape the way we comprehend and utilize the psychology of influence, making it an essential addition to the repertoire of anyone interested in sales, marketing, or simply understanding the intricacies of human behavior. 12. Fanatical Prospecting by Jeb Blunt. This book is an indispensable addition to any list of the 15 best books on selling. Blunt, a distinguished sales acceleration specialist and a seasoned speaker in the field, imparts invaluable insights on how to strategically fill your sales pipeline with high-quality leads, ensuring a steady stream of sales outcomes. The book serves as a comprehensive guide, addressing the common obstacles of fear of rejection and procrastination that often hinder effective prospecting. Blount's expertise shines through as he provides actionable strategies and techniques to not only conquer these barriers but also to turn them into strengths. One of the book's key strengths lies in its emphasis on utilizing a diverse range of communication channels including phone, email, social media, and text messaging to engage with prospects. This multifaceted approach ensures that you're reaching potential clients through channels that resonate with them, maximizing your chances of success. Moreover, Blunt offers practical advice on how to craft compelling and tailored messages that not only grab attention but also prompt meaningful responses. This book is a goldmine of proven strategies and actionable steps that can revolutionize your prospecting efforts, making it an essential read for anyone looking to excel in the realm of sales and lead generation. With Fanatical Prospecting, Jeb Blunt equips you with the tools and mindset necessary to take your prospecting game to new heights, ultimately driving consistent and sustainable sales results. 13. The Ultimate Sales Machine by Chet Holmes. This book is a roadmap for building a high-performance sales organization that dominates its market. Holmes, a legendary sales trainer and consultant, reveals his 12 key strategies for turbocharging your sales growth, such as how to target your ideal customers and get in front of them, how to educate your prospects and position yourself as an expert, how to hire, train, and manage superstar salespeople, how to create a culture of excellence and accountability, how to use technology and automation to streamline your sales process. 14. Sell or Be Sold by Grant Cardone. This book is an empowering masterpiece that serves as a motivational guide for individuals aspiring to excel in various facets of life. Grant Cardone, a highly successful self-made millionaire and an esteemed sales trainer, implores readers to embrace a selling-oriented mindset that empowers them to surmount challenges, seize opportunities, and ultimately unlock their fullest potential. This book transcends the realm of salesmanship, offering invaluable life lessons applicable to diverse pursuits. Cardone imparts crucial insights on cultivating a positive outlook and a winning mentality, enabling readers to navigate through adversities with unwavering determination. The art of communication and persuasion, a cornerstone of effective selling, is dissected and elucidated, equipping readers with invaluable skills to connect and influence others. Moreover, Cardone imparts wisdom on handling rejection and criticism with grace, vital for resilience and personal growth. Setting and realizing ambitious goals becomes a tangible feat with Cardone's guidance, as he provides actionable strategies to turn aspirations into achievements. The pinnacle of Cardone's philosophy lies in the principle of taking massive action and demonstrating unwavering follow-through. Through this paradigm-shifting book, readers are not only equipped with sales techniques but also endowed with a blueprint for success across various spheres of life. Sell or Be Sold stands as an indispensable addition to the library of anyone seeking to master the art of persuasion, resilience, and achievement. 15. The Little Red Book of Selling by Jeffrey Gitomer. This book is a concise and practical guide for anyone who wants to master the fundamentals of selling. Gitomer, a sales guru and author of several best-selling books, shares his 12.5 principles of sales greatness, such as why people buy and why they don't, how to prepare yourself before every sales call, how to ask powerful questions that lead to yes, how to use humor, creativity, and enthusiasm to stand out, how to earn loyalty and referrals from your customers. These are the 15 best books on selling that we recommend you to read. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. And don't forget to leave us a comment below and let us know which book you're going to read next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.